Hello everyone and welcome to days 20 update. So as you can see, this is the tuber, right? And the shoots are growing extensively. I couldn't ask for anything better. It looks so beautiful. I have so many shoots, right? Let me zoom in on that for you. Look at that. Lovely, a lot of shoots. Even this one here starting to put out roots already. So the next process, basically I'm going to remove the taller shoots and I'll be taking you through that process. I'll be removing the taller shoots and putting it into the container with water, this container. So I'm going to basically remove these, plant them, and take shoots off of the tuber to give me more rooting like this one, and then planting it in wherever you want to plant it, right? So I'll take you through that process. As I said, this is days 20 and I'm basically going to start taking off shoots as of today, basically days 20. So I'll do a kind of comparative analysis to really explain what happened in the experiment, right? So thank you for viewing